So people are started for preparing. Get ready for
Left.
okay. Get ready.
Yes, ready. Ready to win.
Okay.
Just move.
It is the encounter of the 40 plus category ADT cricketers taking on the VZs, and it is ADT batting first. Mohammad Tafsir and Lingeswaran in the middle. This has been the most entertaining category for me, to be on a personal level. These are the matches I've enjoyed the most. Mohammad Sakir was 10 overs, 3 overs of power play, only 2 allowed outside. Oh, it's a top edge, third in the circle. And it will find the boundary. Positive start for ADT. Oh, we seem to have a new camera crew, Mr. Momin in the green shirt. How are you, my young friend? A budding director. I think is your dad playing right now? Or your dad is playing? Very nice. Beautifully played once again. Wonderful hands from Tafsir. And I say this because the 40 plus category, they have not taken themselves too seriously. They're out here to have a good game of T10. No arguments, no silliness, just enjoying the game we all love. Very nicely bowled, push into extra cover. Oh, I know this man, wearing the black beanie. How are you, sir? There he is, the legend. Oh, he goes aerial, will clear the extra cover. Not quite out of the middle, but they will pick up a couple of runs. So it's been a very fast start here for ADT. Oh, good delivery, just trying to glide. Straightish delivery. Mohammad Sakir right on the money. Cautious drive and a very tidy over to open up here for both teams. ADT are 7 for no loss. So Mohammad Tafsir on 6 of 5, Lingeswaran 1 of 1. Taking a look at the field, there is a deep cover and a long off in position. Oh, stepping out of his crease, good delivery. It's Rajivan Krishnan Maroli coming in to bowl the second over of the power play. Momin, are you a fan of Desert Vipers?
Yeah.
Did you go to the final this year? Who's your favorite? Naseem Shah? Hassan Nawaz?
Hassan Nawaz.
Ah. That's a cracker of a shot, up and over extra. And what a brilliant sprint by the long off fielder. I think it's Mr. Mohammad Sakir himself. He ran all of 20 yards to his left, full tilt to stop the ball. Look at that effort level. Who's going to tell you these guys are 40 plus? They look like under 19s. Momin, who's winning on Sunday? सच बोलना ग्रीन या ब्लू soft hands, drop and run. This is very good batting from ADT. They struggled against the mighty Mavens, but then they hadn't played any games here at the Tolerance Oval. Now they look very well accustomed to the conditions. They've understood the ground, the way the wind behaves, the way the pitch behaves. Looking busy at the crease. Oh, swing and a miss again. He wants to step out of his crease. Try to cut the swing. So far, very tidy stuff from the VZ's new ball bowlers, both Rajivan and Sakir. Jamshed sir directing traffic like he's working at the airport, guiding all the planes on the runway. Driven towards mid-wicket, good fielding. I like the energy level from the VZs here, looking very sharp. Buzz of activity in the middle. Looking like a very professional outfit. The yellow and blue kits are sparkling under the floodlights. Very eye-catching. Very tidy over from Rajivan. And not going to be a 2 there. Good fielding. So 2 overs completed. 13 for no loss. So final over of power play. Moinuddin Zayed coming on to bowl. Taking a look at the field, there is a deep mid-wicket and a long on in position for the spinner. Oh, short delivery, up and over square leg. Easy pickings. It's an OMG sixer. Bit of a loosener and deposit it over long leg.
Yeah, na.
Mohammad Tafsir is looking rock solid this evening, his first maximum. So Moinuddin will need to get his length right, that is key. Switching to around the wicket. Is there a stumping? Yes, there is. The change of angle works and fantastic wicket keeping, whipping off the bails in a flash. And first wicket down for ADT, 19 for 1. So Anoop Abdul, the new batter in for ADT. Oh, officially driven. No single there. Maybe have that extra cover in a catching position. Just a few yards in. And also the mid wicket, keep him in the eye line of the batter, just to disturb him a little bit. It will be a wide on this occasion, but overall, it's been a testing over from Moinuddin. Bounced back well after the 6. Very correct way to get off the mark. Bat and pad together. Single taken, long on. So it's Lingeswaran 5 of 5. Just been watching the action calmly from the non-strikers end. Now we'll need to get involved. No change in the field. Straight to the fielder. Could not get it elevated over cover point. And he did not have to move a muscle. It was catching practice. 2 wickets in the over for Moinuddin. 21 for 2.
कितने रन हुए?
Deep mid wicket in place and a long on. Oh, no shot offered. What's happening here? It will be out. He left a straight delivery. And he is in utter disbelief. You have to play a shot. What an incredible turnaround. 3 wickets in the over. And in his next over, he'll be on a hat-trick. 21 for 3. Well, a huge round of applause for Moinuddin Zayed. 3 wickets in the over. Unbelievable. How quickly the game has changed. In the blink of an eye. Faizan Ali Khan coming in at number 5. A stunning turnaround here by the Veezis. Power play session has swung heavily in their favour. It's going to be Mr. Jamshed Ali. Jammy sir coming on to bowl. Moment, please keep an eye on your camera. Do not lose any of the action. We need these highlights. Young man busy at work, even on a Friday. कोई नहीं, कल वैसे भी छुट्टी है स्कूल से, right? So Anup and Faizan in the middle. Partnership needed. Calmly driven. He seems to have a very steady temperament, Anup. Faizan Ali Khan. He'll have a big role to play with the ball in hand as well. Hard-hitting left-hander. But now the field can be spread. Long on, deep mid-wicket. What else do we have? Long off. Making sure everybody is exactly in the right spot. Oh, round the legs. Waiting for the umpire's signal. Was there some bat involved or leg buys? Yeah, leg buys. I love the way Jamshed sir spins the ball in his hand. Keep a close eye. It's a very unique bowling action. He spins it like a top 2-3 times. Frr, frr, frr. Big shout! Maybe there was a bat involved. Very teasing length that he's bowling. Oh, what a catch! At flip! Stunning reflexes! Unbelievable! Look at the delight in the VZ's cap. What a catch! That was hit flush off the blade. It was not an outside edge. Absolutely brilliant reactions. And the celebrations to boot. Jamshed Ali in the game in his first over. Unbelievable turnaround. And Anup will have to depart. 4 wickets down. Test level cricketers who can't take those catches. Unbelievable. Upul Velikala, the new batter. They were 21 for no loss. Now it's 23 for 4. Dramatic match. Right in the block hole, beautifully bowled. You can see the enthusiasm in Jamshed Ali when he comes on to bowl. Is this a stumping? Yes, it is! It's 23 for 5. 5 wickets down for 2 runs. The most unbelievable match of the Open Masters games. 2 wickets in the over. This is unbelievable stuff. What an over. What is happening? Sheer entertainment. Well, Mr. Momin, if you upload this match to YouTube, you might get 10 million views. You could become a viral sensation, the next Mr. Beast. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Is it okay, or you're getting a bit tired? You need a chair? Take a chair. I'll bring you a chair. Wait.
कमेंटेटर मेरे लिए आएगा.
Oh, the hat-trick ball is defended. The moment has come and gone. 3 wickets for Moinuddin, 2 for Jamshed Ali. उनका अपना ही मुकाबला लगा हुआ है एक दूसरे के साथ. The spin twins of the VZs. Nicely put away, but there is a mid-wicket in position. Nabil Habib and Faizan Ali Khan in the middle. Unbelievable match. This is drama of the highest order.
हसीब आपको नहीं खिलाएंगे, हम गए उनके पास.
Oh, late glide and a slight misfield will allow the single. Very risky shot when you have somebody in the slip. Trying to play across the front pad. He's just been bowling that nagging line where they have to play every delivery. हर डायरेक्टर की अपनी चेयर होती है. ये देखो, very nice. Swung away, will find that small pocket of space on the onside. But the runs are just coming at a trickle at the moment for ADT. Oh, single taken. What a spell from Moinuddin. 2 overs, 3 for 12. 5 gone, 27 for 5. Of time on the hands, 4 overs after this to get a decent score. Struck hard towards long off boundary. That's much more like it from Faizan Ali Khan. Hard hitting lefty. They have weathered the storm and now they're coming charging back. Six overs gone, 40 for 5. We're done with spin for now. Mohammad Sakir coming back into the attack. The new ball bowler. First over was pretty good. So only 7 runs conceded. But Faizan Ali Khan is finding his range. Nabil Habib trying to build a partnership with him. Very calmly played. Well, Nabil, he'll have to defend these runs with the new ball, so he has to make them as well. Nicely played. Oh, great fielding. Oh, it's kicked it away. Have to be careful. It's a slippery outfield. Couple of runs taken. I would not advise using your feet like that. You could step on the ball, turn over your ankle. That's the last thing you need. But he stopped the ball from going to the boundary for sure. That's a fabulous shot from Nabil. Look at those graceful hands. Brilliant shot. Absolutely brilliant. इसको कहते हैं कलाइयों का उपयोग. Very nicely done. Classical shot to get a boundary. I think he prefers pace on as opposed to spin. So this is a good fight back here. 23 precious runs added by these two. Very technically sound. Bat and pad come together. He's always looking to play with soft hands if possible. It's not all about biffing the ball all over the park. He's a touch player, Nabil Habib. Well, Faizan Ali Khan only knows one way. See ball, hit ball, very hard. Bit of an inside edge, but there is a square leg. So a good recovery made by ADT. They still have 3 overs after this. Can still get up to 85, 90, 100. Calmly played into the gap. Faizan on 13 of 10, Nabil Habib 10 of 8. End of the 7th over, 49 for 5. $50 up for ADT. It's been an admirable recovery, especially when they lost 5 wickets in 2 overs. Oh, flashing blade. Couldn't quite connect. Shahzad Afzal, tall, lanky right arm seamer. Will be a wide just beyond the tram lines. But it's been a good fight back. This is a chance. Shahzad himself. Arey! He was just worried about the stumps. So a chance gone begging. Nabil Habib gets a life. Nicely pulled away in the gap. Faizan Ali Khan. These are crucial runs for ADT. He's playing a blinder here, 17 of 11. Swing and a miss. He wanted to send that onto the highway and traveling towards Makta Bridge.
Field change कर रहे हैं field change
Bowled him. Picture perfect Yorker. But it will not count. I think everybody forgot, including myself, to be honest. But that was a great delivery. So often the free hit deliveries are one of the best you deliver. Can he repeat it? Sliced away, lucky runs, but they all count the same. OMG boundary for Faizan.
So this is no more. On it, God.
Up and over extra cover. There is a boundary rider. They will pick up a couple of runs. Is there a momentum shift coming in? 63 for 5. 2 overs to go.
अंदर है 5 63
जाओ जाओ give me this ये सिर्फ मीडिया वाले लोग
भाईजान ब्रो गो फॉर हिट ऐसा चैनल पीछे
Mohammad Amin Motiwala bowling the penultimate over, very crucial over of the game.
Okay.
Oh, this is big, but it's remaining here and beyond. Has he saved the boundary? I think he has. That went beyond the floodlights in terms of height. And he did well to recover. No boundary. But Faizan is looking to target the spinner. This could be a chance. Jamshed Ali misjudged. Pick up 2 more.
If it goes for 100,
Oh.
we can win.
Oh, it's going down.
Terrific recovery made by this pair. Can they put the finishing touches on this innings? They'll welcome every single run. Bottom edge. There is a mid wicket in place. That could be close, but no backup. Smart not to put the throw in. Don't want to concede any silly runs. 70 for 5, 8 deliveries to go. Projected score is 81. They would love to get up to 90.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟು ವಲಾಟ್
Short.
Whipped away by Nabil, but there is a deep mid wicket in position.
Camera.
Not been a bad over from Mohammad Amin at all. Created a couple of chances.
पानी आ रहा है. This ball, after the ball dead, huh? Short. No, wait.
Just a single, and then I think it suits them that Faizan Ali Khan will face the final over. 72 for 5. So Rajivan Krishnan Maroli given the responsibility of the final 6 deliveries. Long on mid wicket, deep extra cover, very straight. And what else? Everybody is basically on the straight fence on both sides of the field. Faizan Ali Khan, destructive clean hitting so far this evening. 50 partnership for ADT between Nabil and Faizan. What a recovery. They were 23 for 5, completely down and out. And then they played the rescue rangers. Hit hard but straight to the mid wicket. Single. It's certainly a fighting score, maybe slightly less than par, in my humble opinion. Unless we get a flurry of boundaries that could make it interesting. Deep square leg, mid wicket, long on, long off, deep extra. Well, he knew it would be a wide as soon as he he knew the umpire would say wide, even though he was going to protest. Bowled him, knocked him over, swinging across the line and crashing into the sticks. So finally the partnership is broken. But what a magnificent partnership it was. Well bowled by Rajivan, and Nabil Habib will have to head back after scoring A runner ball 14. 75 for 6.
शायद तुम्हारी मेरे गर्दन तोड़नी है अगर तुमने मिस की अरे गुप्ता डी एक्सीलेंट नबील भाई वेल डन पैर उतारो पहले के वीडियो लो ठीक है वेल डन 50 के बाद
Mrityunjaya struck on the pad. I thought he was hailing a cab the way he was appealing. Umpire सुन ही नहीं रहे थे. And he did bat up the order, Sankar. He's eyeing that square leg region who's in the circle. Gone through the keeper. And it will be
4.
a boundary. Big inside edge. They'll take it however they come. At this stage, it's not about aesthetics. It's all about runs. 79 on board, 2 deliveries to go. Is this a defendable score for ADT? Time will tell.
सिग्नल काट के दो फैजान को
Swing and a miss. Good comeback delivery. Final ball of the innings. It's been a seesaw battle between these two teams. A good start, then a collapse, then a recovery. Swing and a miss again. A brilliant over from Rajivan.